Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. Chairman of the Shiba Inu board issues last caution to all shareholders. Dog update. Despite seeing a 50 million% explosion in value in less than a year, Shiba Inu continues to be one of the most volatile cryptocurrencies on the market. The currency took full advantage of the meme coin craze and became wealthy for many investors. But for the last 12 months, Shiba Inu has been experiencing bleeding. This video will discuss the final warning that the CEO of Shiba Inu has issued to all holders. Announcements from shib. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, spread the word and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. Prices for Shiba Inus have been rising since January 8, 2023 when they broke through the 200-day moving average. The Shiba Inu's current height is 62.32. We can see that investors are beginning to accumulate shib based on that RSI value. Nonetheless, we must continue to seek out the overbought zone in order to initiate a pullback. shib's trading pattern is characterized by a symmetrical triangle. Traders can protect their portfolios from needless losses by waiting for a breakout from the symmetrical triangle. If the price breaks out above the upper trend line, it might go as high as 0.00001016 USD. Also, shib might go beyond $0.00001016. If the positive momentum keeps up. To be sure, shib has a solid support zone at 0.00000817 USD. Data from the whale monitoring tool WhaleAlert shows that shib staked 4 trillion Shiba Inu, which is about $35 million USD, using an anonymous wallet. The developers of the Shibarium network recently revealed modifications prompting Binance to take action. The Layer 2 scaling solution from shib is about to be released, asserting that shib tokens will be burned with every transaction on the blockchain and that Bone Shiba Swap would serve as the official digital currency for running the system. We previously mentioned that Bone is the gas token needed to operate Shibarium, and now we're officially announcing that shib will be burned with every transaction. In the days following Bone's official designation as the Shibarium network's crypto asset, its price increased by more than 30%. On January 9, Bone price increased about 30% from its weekly low of $0.916 to $1.19. The cryptocurrency has now pulled back and is now trading at $1.14, with shib at $0.00009, a 3.6% decrease in the past day. Shibarium is advising traders to stay tuned for the protocol's beta debut, even though no official launch date has been announced. Right now our main focus is on delivery. As we near the beta launch, we will provide additional details. Please stay tuned. The long-awaited improvements to the famous meme currency Shibarium are going to be implemented with the Layer 2 upgrade, and the Shiba Inu community is getting ready for them. An unexpected piece of Shibarium code was posted on GitHub last week just as the developer team stated that the beta phase of the key upgrade has begun. Beta users are now checking out the Shibarium bridge, which is rumored to conduct all transactions using the gas fee token Bone Shiba Swap. Shiba in Bone has become a Twitter trend thanks to the sneak peek at the much-anticipated Shibarium. The Shiba Inu subreddit, aka the Shib Army, resurrected the once popular Japanese guard dog themed joke coin and generated more than 11,000 tweets. This follows the major announcement of a new collaboration by One Day. In addition to a limited edition set of NFTs designed by Shiboshi, an event called Twitter Spaces was hosted by Bugatti Group, a manufacturer of high-end luggage and handbags, in collaboration with Shiba Inu. The event featured live musical performances, a unique giveaway and an exclusive mint of Shiboshi's ex-Bugatti GRP NFTs for holders of Shib Genesis NFTs. Bone Shiba Swap surged 14.7% after developers announced a week ago that it will be the sole token used for transactions on Layer 2. On the other hand, Shiba Inu's Bone looks much better from a monthly viewpoint with a positive trend of 50.5%. So the GASV token for Shibarium was able to recover its critical support level of $1. Bone Shiba Swap is currently trading at $1.18 on CoinGecko. The bone of Shiba Inus has indeed climbed to levels not seen in 3 months, but it has a long way to go before it reaches the remarkable $15.50 level seen more than a year ago. The dog-themed meme coin Shiba Inu is preparing to unveil the initial feature or hub of their ecosystem's metaverse at a VR/AR exposition in Austin, Texas in March 2023. They are competing with Dogecoin. The metaverse is full of hubs or central locations, each of which offers unique experiences based on a different theme. In the shib ecosystem's metaverse, participants will get the chance to preview Shiba Inu's new product, the Wa Temple, which is the first of 11 centers. An invitation has been extended to the Shiba Inu team to showcase their work at the SXSWXR experience in Austin, Texas this year. New investor and creative monetization options arise in Shiba Inu's metaverse, which hosts digital experience and places where users can own and commercialize digital real estate. Guests of the Wa Temple, so called because it is a crypto rallying cry that stands for "We're all going to make it," will have the opportunity to experience a metaverse universe rich with spiritual connections, breathtaking nature and meditation. The user will be guided through the origins and development of the SHIB token, as well as its decentralized nature throughout the journey. Each hub offers unique attractions that may only be experienced in that hub, according to Shiba Inu token's metaverse advisor Sherry Guano. Activities, commerce, personalization, expression, events, education, exploration and more can all be greatly facilitated by digital or digital plus in-person utility. Users of Shiba the Metaverse will have access to a variety of features, including the ability to create and manage their own projects, earn prizes, acquire in-game resources, and make passive money. The native token SHIB might be about to see a bullish breakout due to the fast development of its metaverse and ecosystem. Shiba Inu main developer Shitoshi Kusama tweeted on December 29, increasing suspicion about the Shibarium update. As a Layer 2 solution, Shibarium will increase the ecosystem's utility for Shiba Inus. New features such as blockchain games and the Shiba Inu metaverse will be available in the upgrade. These are the big changes that will take Shiba Inu out of its meme status and into the Web3 competition. Kusama tweeted that the launch of Shibarium might be imminent. Following his meeting with the Unification UND team regarding Shibarium, the developer voiced excitement. One annoyance for Shibarium has been the delay of the Shibarium upgrade. Also, there has been no improvement in the latest spate of updates on Shibarium. The most recent report is encouraging, but investors are still wary because the SHIB price is low. One of the most recent announcements revealed that hundreds of retailers will be able to accept Shiba Inu and 70 other cryptocurrencies, thanks to a new cooperation between CoinGate and Wix. Shiba Inu, the popular meme coin, is now accepted as payment by the shops. For the 9 trading days beginning November 9, the SHIB price followed a falling wedge pattern. Price action began its present ascent on December 16 and 28, when it bounced off the wedge's support line. The credibility of the bounce was further enhanced by the fact that it occurred alongside a bullish divergence in the RSI. Another thing is that the relative strength index RSI is now higher than 50. The price of the SHIB finally broke free of the wedge on January 10. Its highest price to date is $0.0000968 USD. The 0.382 fib retracement level, which is located at $0.0000106, would serve as the nearest point of resistance if the upward momentum